Hello everybody, my name is Cruz, and for this week's assignment I chose the animation sample project from the GUIs section. This program animates a sequence of GIF images in a loop using Java Swing components like JPanel, JButton, and timer. So I'll show you how I run it, walk through the GUI setup, as well as event handling, and just highlight a few key features from the code. So first, I will run the program by right-clicking the logo animator class and selecting void main string. So that's the main method where the program does start. So immediately after clicking OK, a file chooser window will open, allowing me to select images, or image files, sorry. So one important thing here is that in order for the animation, the program to animate properly, you do have to select multiple GIF images. If you were to select only one, unfortunately the animation will not work. So I'm going to go ahead and click all and hit choose, and then there you have it. Perfect. All right. So this here is the animation window that will appear after you have selected the images. You do have a choice of 4 buttons here. One to increase the speed, to decrease the speed, to start, as well as to stop. So as you can see, if you increase the speed, the image will spin a lot more rapidly, as opposed to decreasing. There's also a text field showing the animation delay, which is between each frame in milliseconds. So I can change the speed by using the buttons at the top, even while the animation is paused. So now that you've seen the program running and seeing how it loads images and lets us pretty much start as well as stop and adjust the animation, a few things that I would like to break down to see what happens really behind the scenes. So the first thing is that the program does require you to select the multiple image files at the start. So this happens inside the logo animator JPanel class, where a JFile chooser is set up to allow multiple selections. If you only were to select one image, the animation won't cycle properly. So selecting all of the GIF files you want to animate is important. So for the second part, how the animation actually does work, it does use a javax.swing .timer, which is a built-in way to code repeatedly at set intervals. So every time the timer does tick, it triggers a repaint, and the program draws the next image in the sequence. So this creates that smooth animation effect that you had just seen. Finally, the program responds to button clicks using the custom inner class called the button listener. So each button, like start, stop, increase speed, decrease speed, is connected to that listener. So inside the listener, it checks which button was pressed and takes the right action, like starting or stopping the animation, or adjusting the delay. So overall, this is a simple but powerful example of how combine GUI components, timers, and event handling in Java work. Thank you guys for watching.